Hey y'all, today this video will be short, sweet, and also easy. I've got some videos coming up this week with regular meals, but today I wanted to show y'all a fast way to make a delicious dessert. So let's get cooking. Alrighty, so in a crock pot, you're going to take 3 12-ounce bags of tart cherries and pour them in. We're making the Crockpot Cobbler that usually calls for pie filling, but we're going to make it a little homemade today and make our own filling. You're going to pour in 1.5 cups of sugar, 5 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then you're going to add in about 2 teaspoons of almond extract. You can throw some lemon juice in there too, but I didn't have any, so this is what I did. And then you're going to mix that up really well. You're going to sprinkle a box of yellow cake mix on the top, pat it down, and then take a stick of butter and cut it in slices and make sure it's pretty well surrounded on the top so it melts evenly. Then you're going to add some cinnamon, and then you're going to pop a lid on it and let it cook on low for 4 hours. On high for 2 to 3, and that's it, bubbling and good. It's basically done, and then you serve it with some ice cream. It's very good. So this is my version of banana pudding pie. You're going to take 2 cups of milk, and then you're going to add in a family size French vanilla instant pudding mix and mix that well. Then you're going to take 8 ounces of cream cheese and some dulce de leche sweetened condensed milk. It's basically if you cook the condensed milk in the crock pot or on the stove for like 4 to 8 hours, whatever it is, but it makes it so rich, and I love it with this banana stuff. I'm going to add in my pudding and mix it really well. And then I'm going to add some vanilla because I love vanilla stuff. And then I'm going to fold in my whipped topping. And I say fold in, I folded it in a little bit and then I got tired of doing that, so I whisked it. Then you're going to slice about 2 bananas and put them on the bottom of a graham cracker crust. And yeah, just make sure there's enough. And then I'm going to take this caramel topping and drizzle it over the top, and then add my pudding, cream cheese, dulce de leche mixture. Make sure you take all this time to pop it pretty, just for you not to have enough. And then you spread it around with a spoon on the top. And I use more caramel, and then I'm going to just kind of swirl that in with the bottom of a spoon to give it a pretty design. And then I'm going to top it with just some graham crackers. You could always do this with vanilla wafers too, but I didn't have any of that either. And there's your caramel banana pudding pie. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.